Can you hear that? That's the power on. This have a check engine light on. P0 128, and the fan stays on while the car is not running. So normally the code is for thermostat, but when the fan stays on, I use my scan tool to read the sensor temperature, and the temperature, the sensor temperature was erratic. So it have the fan stays on. So right now I'm just gonna swap this sensor off, put a new one in there, and clear the code and see what happened. I'll let you know if I was wrong on this one. I don't think I'm gonna be wrong though. Alright, let's start pulling this thing apart. I'm gonna take off this. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna take the. I know you guys can't really hear me from the fan running. I'm gonna see if it's gonna go off before I stop, before I finish. Take these off. Take this one off also, and then I can. Oh, look at that! Look how easy is that. You can do that. And this is the sensor that we're gonna replace. Coolant temperature sensor. First, you wanna lift the safety part of the clip up, pop up on it. And then you can squeeze and take off the knot. Alright, take it right out. And then you're gonna squeeze that, and then pull up, and we're out. The size of the socket is 19. The 19, and take it out. It's gonna leak some coolant, but we're gonna top it off. I have the new sensor in my hand right here. So I'm trying to see how long it's going to take before it go off. But see how it's leaking coolant, it's spraying coolant. Oh my God. Let's get it before it starts spraying more out of it. Oh no, it's coming out too much. Okay, no problem. We're going to put the new one in. And the new one have a tread sealant on it also. So let me catch this first. Because you don't want to cross-thread this thing. And let's tighten this bad boy up. You don't want to over tighten it also, you just want to tighten it because it's got the tread sealant on it. And then you're going to plug this thing back in. And it's on this way. And it's on. And then you're going to put your clip back in. Oh no, this way, right here. Here it is. Look at that. I get it. Then I'm going to put this back on. The fan is still running. So I get to finish the job with the fan still running. Let me get my flash preserver back. And then go back and tighten this screw down. Oh, it turned off now. Now you guys can hear me clear, right? And we're gonna put this, both pipe back on. And now I'm going to put my scan tool back on it and clear the code and start it up and see what happens. We'll be right back. Alright, I think I have the button for my scan tool inside of the car. I think I leave it in here. Yes, I did. So let me go inside the car and plug this thing in. Oh, here's it right here. Plug it in and turn the car to the on position. With this car, you have to press and hold the button down for about 5 seconds, I think. And there it is, the car is in the on position. Make sure that my scan tool is back up and running. Let's clear this. I was working on the next car. Let's wait until that starts blinking blue. Okay, so it's already started blinking blue, so let's find the car. Okay, there it is. Find the car. Chevy Tahoe Premier 2018. Running 74,000 miles. Let me go ahead and read the code. Read, display, DCT display. And because I plug it out, now you have all of the reading. So What we're gonna do, we're gonna go back and clear the code and then start the car up and see what happened. So clear code. Code is successfully clear. Let's go back. Why did I go back? And read back code again. No code. Alright. Now this is the moment of truth. Let's see what happened when we start it up. See, the fan is gonna start spinning non-stop. Start it up. Fan not spinning as yet. The fan not spinning as yet. The fan's not spinning as yet. I feel like we're in the clear. I feel like we're in the clear, guys. I feel like we did it. We did it. Normally the fan would have come back on within 5 to 10 seconds. And I can say we're over 25 to 30 seconds now. And the fan is not on. So my scan tool did the magic, reading the code, going to live data, and you could see where the readings was like all over the place. Let me go and find it. Engine data. Guys, we did it. The fan is not spinning no more. So let we see how the temperature is rising on this bad boy. Ooh. Yeah. While we're in here, we're just gonna check everything. As you can see, the sensor right here, it's counting up. It's at 91 right now, and it's supposed to just read up. Just keep on go up until it reaches to I think this is supposed to be at like 190 to 210. Everything is reading right. Everything is reading right so far. Let's go back up and see where the temperature is at right now. And the temperature is at 95. So 96, and it's counting. And that's what you want it to do. You want it to count up when you start the vehicle. You don't want you to start the vehicle and the temperature is at 250, because you know that there's something going on. So from you see that the sensor is just reading erratic. It's not reading correct reading. So that was it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel again. And guys, remember to smash that like button for me, please. Just smash the like button. Share the video, promote the video, do something, man. I love you guys, man. You guys are awesome for checking out my video. But you know, I'm gonna try to make sure that I'm doing things where you guys are right here with me, doing it, watching me live. And oh, it's counting out. Look at that, it's at 102. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I don't want to drag this out no more. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.